So I've got a small weep in the power steering somewhere. It's either the feed to the pump or the return from the rack. So I'm going to change these two lines here, put some AN fittings in, and try and put a compression fitting on the pump and see if that fixes it. Okay, so if we measure here, getting pretty much spot on 16 mil. Now if I measure the compression fitting, getting about 16.25, so that will fit over. Getting like spot on 16, so may have to modify that slightly to get it on there, but we'll see when the time comes. Thinking of a way to cut this off. The best I've come up with is a Dremel. Thought of using one of these pipe cutters, but I don't think it's not going to work, so back to the old trusty Dremel. I've also put a bit of cloth in there to try and stop shit getting in there. I hope it doesn't catch fire or something. I've nicked the cloth. All good? Just going to run a file across it just to flatten it out a little bit. tighten it up and see how I go. If it's no good, I can always buy another fitting. I haven't got the proper AN spanners for this. I haven't even got big enough spanners for these fittings, so I'm just going to have to use the good old trusty shifters. Actually, yeah. I'm going to put a bit of WD-40 on this thread. Don't know if it's the right thing to do, but it seems logical. Feels right. Alright, see how it goes. I'm going to be getting new dash 10 hose, so I won't be using this, and the new hose won't have this bend in it. Obviously it'll be straight, and I think the hose going from there to there will be too short to have a bend like this. So the plan is to get a fitting from here, and by putting this on there, the fitting will be, let's say, roughly there. Probably needs about 120-degree fitting, and then with a bit of luck, I push on from there, and from there it'll have, say, that much hose. So it should be alright. So somehow I lost a couple of videos. Don't know how I did it, but anyway, this is the finished product. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's been on there for a few weeks now. I've been driving around, no leaks or anything. Came up pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Yeah, ended up using 120-degree dash 10 fitting and some dash 10 push on hose that goes straight into the reservoir. Yeah.